So guys, let me quickly drop this strategy, this setup, what made up of this strategy. So as you all know, my name is Akinola King. I am the lead instructor from KingFX Academy. If you are a returning subscriber, I welcome you to this video. And if you are new to this channel, please use just a second of your time to click on subscribe button. Doesn't consume anything, no data, no money. Just click on subscribe button. That is how you can get motivation from you. And don't forget to like and share this video and drop your comment under the comment section. So guys, as you all know that all the strategy we drop on that channel is a confirmed, tested and confirmed strategy. We don't just drop strategy for our own personal sake, maybe to get viewers or to get like, but we drop strategy for you to assist you and to make trading easy for you. So in this strategy, as you see, as I test the strategy the other time, so that is how it works. So let me just show you what's made up of the strategy. What you can see on your screen is stochastic and some moving averages. So this is stochastic and these are the moving averages, so moving average exponential. So let me show you the setup. This strategy work for both boom and crash. Let's do some back testing first. So first of all, you put your screen at the last edge. Like, you understand what I mean by that? Just hold on the screen. You know this is movable, it's move right and left, so make sure it has the extreme end, left end. So just leave it at the left end like this. So leave it at the left end. So guys, this strategy, let's do some back testing. This strategy, if you see the moving average cross the, if you see the stochastic cross the moving average at the 90 region, which is the buy region, you enter for buy. You only enter for buy in crash. You doesn't use this strategy to catch spike, only to buy. So and when it gets to this assist region, which is 50, you get out of the market. When you see the moving average will first get to here before the stochastic, and you see when you see the moving average get to this region, you just exit the market. The moving average yellow will first, the yellow is, I think, is the moving average 12 or 13, so it will first get to this place. When you see any moving average touches there, just exit the market. You don't have to wait. So and for boom, you sell. You don't see, we don't, this strategy is not to catch spike. I said that. So as you can see here, it crossed at the 90 region, so you enter for buy. You can see another one here, you enter for buy. So and for boom, you enter for sell when you are trading boom. When it's crushed at 90, sorry, I think I made a mistake there. That is 10 region. That is 10. Then yes, here is 10. That is buy 10, 50, 90. So it's crossed as 10. This is buy region. So here now is 90. So you'll be looking at the cross at the 90 region here. You see, once you can sense any cross and you enter for buy, when it gets to 50 region, just leave the trade. You are in profit already. It worked for both boom and crash. So guys, let me quickly show you what's made up of this strategy. So I'm going to show what's made up of the strategy. You can see the stochastic for the moving averages. So I'm going to click on each, just make the screenshot to take note of the setup. So these are the setup for stochastic. The period is 60, period 1, slowing 1, price with low high, method simple. So here you can change the color. So at the level, click on here, level is 10, 50, 90, buy assist sell. You can screenshot that and set it up. So after that, you click on done. So let me show you the moving average setup. The first moving average is 10. So you can screenshot this. The first moving average is 10. Shift is 0, method exponential, apply to close, start to pixel. You can use any color of your choice. You can use any color of your choice. So then click on done. So the second moving average, which is this one, is 11. So the same details, only this different color. You change the color of your choice. So the top, sorry, so the third moving average is 12. So different color too, just change the color. I use green. So the fourth moving average is 13, period 13, shift 0, exponential 2%. You change the color also. So the fourth one, I think, or the fifth one, is 14, period 14. So you change the color also to different color to the other ones you have select before. And the last one, so is 15. You also use different color. So we have moving average 10, 11, 12, 13, 14 and 15. These are the moving averages. So once the moving average, all the moving average touch the 90 region when you are trading boom. So when all the moving average touches here and the stochastic, which is the red, cross it, you enter for sell till it get to this region. So guys, like I always said, before you move to live trading, first test any strategy on demo account. When you are good, then you move to the live trading. So every strategy has their own rules and terms and conditions. The only thing is just you don't trade when the crosses happen between the 90 and the 50. You only trade when it's cross at the 90 region. Make sure it touches this 90 region when you are selling, and make sure it touches this 10 region when you are buying. So that is the rule that's attached to these strategies. So guys, that is that. Make sure you test it very well on your demo account before you move to the live trading. So I wish you happy trading. Thank you.